Hi, Dr. Martinez, as well as any other peers who are watching this. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope classes are well. It's really hard to believe we're already halfway through the semester. That's super crazy. But anyway, I'm just going to go through this PowerPoint and talk about the sections that I chose to summarize, and then talk about experiences that I have. So the first section I chose was fake time. So this is exactly what it sounds like. So in this, students will appear as if they're paying attention because they know that the teacher is constantly monitoring their attention and engagement in the class. So in other words, they do school, or they play school, meaning that they engage in all the right things to appear like they're focused in learning. During this time, students complete things that are unrelated to the class that they're in. So some examples of this would be doing homework for other classes, studying for other classes, passing notes, etc. And they will complete these things while being aware of the teacher and class activities. So the next section I chose was feed the need to create. So in this, it was basically explaining that the students are most engaged and vibrant in a class when they're allowed to create something new or think about something new. So students overall like to be part of something where they can express their originality and individuality. Students are more in touch with the class when they have ownership over their ideas and when they feel like they're in a safe space to express those ideas. So I'm just going to give two experiences related to what I just talked about. So the fake time experience that I have is I remember when I was in any boring class at any grade level or in any content area, I would always appear like I would be paying attention. So again, I would do all those right things. I would sit up straight, I would lay my notebooks and textbooks out for the class, and I would switch my eyes back and forth between my notes and the PowerPoint to make it seem like I was actually engaged. Even though it seemed like I was, taking notes, I wouldn't actually be taking notes. Usually I would just be doodling, which I always like to do. And sometimes I would also study for other classes too, like maybe if I had a test in another class that day or something. But like I say here, not going to lie, I was really good at paying attention in class. So, yeah. Let's see. For the next one, feed the need to create. I just said this is true. When I was in school, I felt like I was the most engaged and excited to learn when given the opportunity to make something, create something, or think about something new. So the example I give here is in my high school economics class, where I said I had the most fun when I was allowed to create my own business with other students. So in this way, we were allowed to express ourselves. So it was very engaging to us because we had a say in what we could create. There was no limit for us. That's why I liked it so much. And that's why the other students liked it so much. And besides being more engaged in the learning, I also remember learning the most by doing this. And it probably because I was engaged in it, so I was allowed to, understand it more because it was actually hands-on. So I remember more of what I learned in that class. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my last slide. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you all have a great rest of your day, a great week, and thank you so much.